Hey everyone, welcome to a new video. In this video, you will see how you can install Jupyter Notebook in your system. So I am using a MacBook, but the process will be same for MacBook, for Linux or Ubuntu and Windows as well. The only requirement is you should have Python installed in your system. So if it is installed, then well and good. But if it is not installed, then you can follow the video in the I link, which is the Python installation guide. So you can check this video, get Python installed in your system, and then come back to install Jupyter Notebook. So let us get started to see how we can install Jupyter Notebook. So for what you need to do is you need to go to your terminal and type the command pip install notebook. So before I hit enter and run the command, let me tell you that why we needed Python. So we needed Python because we had to use the pip tool to install notebook, and pip is the Python package manager tool. So once you have Python in your system, you will have pip available as well. So type the command pip install notebook and hit enter. Once you hit enter, it will take some time and install notebook in your system. So you can see we have successfully installed notebook message. It means Jupyter Notebook is now installed in our system. Now let us see how we can run Jupyter Notebook. So for that you need to type the command Jupyter space notebook. Hit enter and it will open a web page which is like a web server for Jupyter Notebook, and you can see this is a Jupyter Notebook environment, and we can use this environment to create a new notebook. So let me actually give you an example. So you can click on this new button and click on Python 3 IPy Once you click it, it will open a new tab, and this is your Jupyter Notebook, and you can type any Python command and run it. For example, print notebook installed, and hit shift enter to run the command. So you can see the output is here. So this is the whole process of installing Jupyter Notebook and running it. So that's it for this video. If you liked this video and this video helped you in any way, then make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel if you are here for the first time, and I will see you in the next video.